Today we're going to show you how to install Philips UltinonSport LEDs. It's a job almost any do-it-yourselfer can handle and requires only a few items to do the job right. Philips UltinonSport LEDs are direct replacements for conventional halogen bulbs. Before installing the new fog lights, check that the current fog lights are working. If the fog lights don't come on, you'll need to use a voltage tester to determine whether current is present in the wiring harness. To gain access to the fog light bulbs and wiring harness, you may have to remove the air dam, an undercar panel, or the wheel well liners. The fog light housing assembly may have a cover that must be removed to gain access to the bulb. Access varies by make and model. Once you have access, unplug the wiring harness from the fog light, turn the headlights and fog lights on, and test for current. If there is no current in the wiring harness, you will need to fix that issue before you can install the Philips UltinonSport LEDs. If there is current, but the existing bulb does not light up, it is likely burned out. Once you have confirmed the fog lights are working, or that the current is present in the wiring harness, put the headlight and fog light controls in the off position. Once you have access, disconnect the wiring harness from the existing fog light bulb. Remove the existing bulb from the fog light fixture. Most bulbs come out with a push and turn motion. Connect the wiring harness to one of the Philips UltinonSport LEDs. Turn the headlights and fog lights on. If the LED fog light does not come on, turn the headlights and fog lights off. Then, disconnect the wiring harness and rotate the connector 180 degrees, and then reconnect the harness so that the connection points are switched. LED lights require current flowing in a specific direction to work. Turn the headlights and fog lights on to confirm that the light is now working. Once confirmed, disconnect the UltinonSport light from the wiring harness. Fill the wiring harness socket with dielectric grease to seal the connections. Plug the wiring harness socket into the UltinonSport LED, matching the plug orientation that caused the light to illuminate. Once more, turn the headlights and fog lights on to confirm that the light is still working. Install the UltinonSport LED into the fog light housing. Again, most Philips UltinonSport LEDs will install with a push and turn motion. When successfully installed, repeat the procedure for the other headlight. After LED installation, check the light is aligned vertically. If not, remove the LED and reinstall the correct orientation. When both lights are installed and confirmed to be working, secure the wires with zip ties and reinstall any panels that have been removed. Now you can put that stylish white light on the road with Philips UltinonSport LEDs. In some vehicles, LED retrofit bulbs can cause light-out dashboard warnings, high beam indications, or LED flickering. Installing a Philips LED CAN bus adapter can correct these issues.